Sober TV anopay ye bonnetew. Memo bibi akwaba. Na nyame nhwam yedim se obi ahoye. Straight to the point. Kumasi Asante Kotoko nsem a ene anopay ya boano ena jede eba besomo. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now, first thing first, there's issue of Blay, there is issue of Abdul Fattah or Safiu, and there's also issue of players and the kind of response biba I who be here say ye the mamo ene a year anopay. Now, well, now and the question of the day, no, bisa and no the amende buy on Blay on Mukwala no a drum penny for any momentie. Now that DNA is very simple. Between a brand tier new which one do you think Asante Kotoko should sign? Abdul Fattah or Safiu, former Asante Kotoko player, were too quiet for Bobo Amanone. The disadvantage is within Ghana Premier League terrain. Musa. The advantage is he's coming in with experience. He's coming with the love of the fans to attract people to the stadium. He's coming with a massive fear factor. Between or no, and Prince Kwabena Usu, currently in the league, he's doing very well. He understands the league system, but only experience, only clout, as compared to Abdul Fattah or Safiu, no. So we are IMC member now. Was our players me anyway. In the exercise on one, which one will you sign to beat the attack of Kumasi Asante Kotoko? That is the question of the day. Abdul Fattah or Safiu and Prince Kwabena Usu. Why? And I'll be signing on at the Asante Kotoko. Yanko in Semnu. Let's start with Great Olympics. We are starting with Great Olympics because Kotoko have trolleted the Great Olympics. Kotoko dika troy for Asante Feno, Malone entry. Bebeka chair must say, my sources for Great Olympics say there be, and now they are Asante no. Kotoko. On Monday, they are not doing so well in the Ghana Premier League. They want to have him in there to do the job for them. And you want to pay. Later, Kotoko the letter as I call for a year Asante friend Ebenezer Setre, where a defender, Kumasi boy Kumasi boy. Deportivo Munina was Siakam on one and also another player in Great Olympics or a forward. A friend of a year Michael Osei. Inti players me anyway Kotoko add the letter. Great Olympics say almost services on bepe, and if a client that hosts a Great Olympics the Kotoko, they will be glad. Now with the Ebenezer Setra, kind of 6 months. I finished we are the contract. He's a centre back. Great Olympics boy a 3-back system. Kotoko boy no boy right centre back. But me boy all the positions with main centre back, right centre back, left centre back. Onye obi or wabibri. But it's very good in the air. And when it comes to ground duels, on train maukra and Kotoko Great Olympics, so no nana oni mukwala enya incidents bibri ewo the right side of the game. Obi ohwe game ni biano no antwama mukwala kra. The game ended 0-0. Great Olympics be ball omo Kumasi. Yes, so that is him. Ebenezer Setre. Now let Tedeko do a sources in Great Olympics say there be. On Monday, and they will be happy to let the boy end the second round or end the season with them rather than sell him to Asante Kotoko. It's just like Emmanuel and Chidioma Mahokwano, Ebenezer Setre, and that is what I'm picking as at the red. So Olympics are doing best based on the number of years months Cabo and the contract, so they are probably in the evening we'll get to know. But one key person will Great Olympics, I confirm I said. They won't let Ebenezer come on Manemba. And Tiano Kotoko for a centre back. And no anye. Again, Michael said here no namen can wasem because na me feedback. I want feedback from the right people. And feedback almost when the man said Olympics is not ready to do business with Asante Kotoko this January. Any idea or makachem. That is from one person. Nipani will build Dimu Great Olympics, but they are not ready to do business with Asante Kotoko this January. And yes, Kasem, and yes, we are going to continue to yes, but they feel say Olympics in the year and among person relegation be threatening them. So they want to end the season. The season be now, player they can negotiate and get you the player. whilst almost betimi akoba bi akofa obi abehye once Olympics no mo pay division 1 for no ma be say some from unknown areas no dem abehye and for now they feel say explanation and pandemic no they feel say if they let go these players they will not get proper replacement that can affect their chances of staying in the Ghana Premier League. Into Olympics Kotoko no and my tew at the amount Avenue not coming. Dauda Yusuf said not coming. Gordon Abusa not coming. Samates boys no because Samates for no omo you've not seen it. As time goes on, you know who say Samates they are not willing to let their players join Ayetima. Your friend Asante Kotoko no. The next story, Steve Mukwala, and then some born in 10 temper. Now, Steve Mukwala sees you bury and a contract aberry and no honor a passports. Munina Mote, a brana chesse, Danaya Mensa, Mufre Simua, no say there be on Mukwala and Blay. These are players that Kotoko need to renew their contracts. Now, after the conversation around Bear 1, we placed some calls to verify certain news. Now, it was confirmed to us that I'm an agent in North Africa. Specifically, or your agent Odini Juma Power Algeria. Also, you can say agent in West Africa. Yeah, you can have an agent in West Africa, but if your country spawn, you may be Nigeria and Ghana. This man, no, or tiny Algerian clubs, Juma Power. Now, I monitor Mukwala. And also agents right now, what they do is that they sit around, they observe players, then they get your footages and they submit it to as many clubs as possible. Clubs are money relationship. It's only got relationship. I know about it. Got come here with team no more striking position, you know, and you're more player be or Egypt, more player be or Nigeria, more player be or Congo. Not in the video actually. No, I catch them. Some also monitor the panel. But these days, what they do is that they look out for players or maybe free agents. Until the brewer no catch also wait there. If you want to ask be a man a club no, only player and daily you are good to go. And most often no, the buying club no who say or you're protected. The risk involved no form because when you are signing a player, na say player no ube be a man a club, na be be a man player, no be be a man agent, no be flop ya abo ka bebre. But if it's just the player and the agent, most of the clubs only demand the cashier. So if it's just the player and the agent, the risk no form. So from what I've been told, this man has been able to compile the videos of Steve Mukwala and I've given it to certain clubs. And for now, we're not 3 offers. That is confirmed there by 3 clubs. I show interest in Mukwala and Okachom so betimi enya Mukwala the amount as a free agent. So that story has been confirmed. I know the from the quarters, no, it looks like Nipana reach out to Mukwala the Atunanim say such a deal is available for him or these clubs. Indeed, in Pennyfueni Abre say some now Mescana you could to Mukwala no one here and not as agency moon now or bosses never as a free agent. So contract negotiation has been handed to special people to handle it on behalf of Asante Kotoko on Steve Mukwala. But like I'm confirming it to you, agent be a agent from Algeria or when it comes to Mukwala and Komonum. And it's getting difficult every day. And a day, maybe Sam say, when you have the chance to select, say Mukwala will not renew his contract, Manimbo season in we another turn, which one will you do? So anything can happen in the coming days when it comes to issues regarding Steve Mukwala. Mame Antoine common so Justice Blay. Nam the Abdul Fattah with the NWA. And Blay was all over. And when I say Blay was all over, discussions around Justice Blay was all over. One thing is for sure, the fans want Justice Blay to continue working for Asante Kotoko. Certain. Another thing is for sure, Asante Kotoko as a club want to work with Justice Blay. Another thing is also for sure, Justice Blay want to work with Tima Yefen Asante Kotoko. So I know Mami and Sunny guaranteed they are assured. Now the issue has to do with the duration. And from what I've been told, an agreement sending sending woman I can assure all Kotoko fans say Monkama Kumantu Omiyem because it looks like Enyoma Atutudin with Justice Blay. I don't want to come out with any statement Enyoma Besasa. But from what I was told yesterday, and when around 7:20 there about, say me ye video men can't check Kotoko Chita phone say Blay dieno Bibia Todin and Bibia will become and Blay will continue playing for Asante Kotoko. This is from someone what can be a woman pa and not catch them as a man can't tell them because send them kind of fans need Blay. Management want to work with Blay, the coach wants to work with Kotoko, the player wants to work with Kotoko. Then the problem was the duration. Send them catch them 2 days ago that Blay any issue with the salary. No, and I'm not saying say Blay any issue with the salary. The only issue is duration. Where I was told that peace year Juma bibia akoyi ewo. That is where Justice Blay. When you be official, na say me start the figures etuga, I'll do it. But you can calm your nerves down when it comes to Justice Blay. The last story, Abdul Fattah Safiu, medicals on Friday, unless Bibi Bebo. Take it from Zeobed. Medicals on Friday. Abdul Fattah Safiu Babaye medicals on Friday, unless it's a Bibi Bebo. For now, and then the Daho. Midiama, yes. And now, make us and catch on say if Asante Kotoko pushes, there's no way the ball will join Midiama. And take it from me, Abdul Fattah Safiu or Bana or Bokotoko na Munyabo Tremano. This is it. Midiama Sikana, one the man Abdul Fattah Safiu, times 3. And yet times 2 BMO, times 3. Dear Kotoko de Manono. Hey, sorry. Kotoko dieno, let's say 50 pesos. Midiama dieno, 150. Yes, Kotoko dieno na multiplying by 3. You could do Midiama dieno. I hope you now understand. The say Kotoko dieno 2 cities Midiama dieno 6 cities, which means I need to multiply 2 by 3 to get the 6. So I hope you get it. But the boy still decided to play for Asante Kotoko. And when I catch him, say, Coach Kwesi Appiah didn't mind with this particular transfer. And the boy is pleased with social media bars, no? The Kotoko supporters, and the choir Coach Kwesi Appiah multi-facia, no? Then the Kotana, them need come out together with and Nana Penkra Kwesi Dr. Ugum or Henry Brinyamon need come on any Ajepa. And that is why the amount of money a Midiama de Manono, times 3 of Kotoko Dieno, is still deciding to sign for Kotoko. Contract as at 543, code figures when it matters. See a man acquiring the amebo. As at 543 na contract go can boy and inside what techima. Inti obesen sign no the aba. Inti chairman solo baby I will be a chiao. Na me sharp fi maintain unka. But just by the way, to Kotoko support be. Ebekwa akushia Abdul Fattah Safiu na omode no akwakọ omone no nice card na sim na ye de na akwakọ tena medicals no akwakọ medicals or pass medicals no which is on Friday na na say actually the special unveiling latest by Sunday say it me perform on Abdul Fattah Safiu. Take it from me, he's joining Asante Kotoko. Moses Parker or a serious businessman, but the Kotoko brand is big. The boy decided to choose Kotoko over Midiama. And by question that year, now Abdul Fattah Safiu. We saw the contract that cancer. The clauses and duration, a 2-year contract. 100 year man, coins and Fambra Bonting. In film, and Abdul Fattah Safiu ever signed the Asante Kotoko. The salary, member so. Amount no the confidential, but what I can see is that times 3 of Midiama Dieno, Midiama Kotoko Dieno times 3 of Midiama Dieno. Midiama Dieno na me catch them. You can do the calculations. And you free oba me the amount I was so bad TV. I fa me say me repeat me ho a enya boa pae. Ebu asem no can you get carried away. Ti anamo de ache me. But your comments and opinion is highly welcomed. Somebody ba na insiesie bi asieye e wo yedwumadi ne be ye ama bibia etimi akoyie nyame enka mo nyina mo bye bye.